Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Yes you can. Guys, there is a story of many people. They say they want to do something, but you will see what they want to do. They don't want to do much for that. They say that they want to get it anyway, but as soon as the situation turn against them, they give up. This world is like a forest. Either you fight and dominate, or give up and keep running for the rest of your life. You have to keep your entire focus in just one place. You can neither change the world, you can't change the people, nor can change your circumstances. But you can definitely change yourself. And from the day you started changing yourself, from that day everything will start changing. So the focus is on changing only and only on self. You have to question yourself. Is there anything in this world in which I am the best? Or is there any work that I can do in the best way in the whole world? Or any such work or any skill and whatever in which I am good, and not only good but also very good. So can I on my own practice be the best in the world at this job? With this attitude, when you start living, then you do such thing which normal people find impossible. Big difficulties make you kneel in front of you, and difficulties also think that where have become, even the circumstances kneel in front of you, and then luck also speak that take it son, this is your right. You are good in any work, then you have to go for be good. When you become better, you have to go for the be better. When you get better, then you have to go for the excellence, and also search for the best of best, excellence of excellence. If you find a river, look for ocean. There are very few people in this world who can recognize their talent, and among those who do recognize, there are very few people who take that talent to the goal and fulfill his dreams. Because your talent, your passion is not in use unless hard work is done. Unless work is done for it with full dedication, you must have hard work. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Many talents of this world are left behind because people don't work hard for it with full dedication. If you feel like doing it, and if you don't feel it, then you are not doing it. That's not going to work. When laziness comes, don't mind, kick laziness and focus on your work. Even if you do not feel like doing good and right work, but do this because the work that makes our future. Many times we have to put efforts in those work in which we keep postponing that work again and again. So whether you like it or not, you have to do it. If you know that doing these things is right for you, then do it. And if you think that I will do this work after some time, then it is your laziness. And you are doing traitor is from your dreams. Today should not be tomorrow, but tomorrow should be today. And today should be right now, because goal is not possible without work. What is the price without hard work? Until you get goal, how is the destination comfortable on the way? Aim like Arjun. Don't keep any excuse in your mind. The goal is in front. Just keep your place on it. Don't realize it by thinking. If you love your dreams, you will get the result of hard work. So don't wait for anyone else. I hope you like this video. Please tell me by commenting. See you soon with new motivational videos. Stay positive, always smiling and keep laughing. Bye, take care and stay healthy.